Is your marketing a mess? I see this all the time and have been there many times myself too. You rush into social media content and sales funnels with no defined strategy, no clear measurements on results, and surprise, surprise, all your marketing goes down the drain. And then what do? We schedule another whiteboard session and come up with another unicorn idea and ends up with more mess. Now, to declutter your messy marketing so that you're always working on the right campaigns to bring the right leads and sales opportunities to the pipeline, here are 3 simple tools you can deploy right away. Tool number 1, clarify your customer journey. A lot of people try to use marketing to fix a flawed product, and that's what kills results. If you fail to have a clear path to funnel your customers towards their first transaction, you're not ready for marketing. We use a tool called the Customer Value Journey, which will help you clearly define each marketing stage: awareness, engagement, subscription, conversion, excitement, product ascension, customer advocacy, and referrals. Tool number 2, clarify your brand message. We are in a competition for eyeballs, and your messaging needs to require as little brain power as possible for customers. To win this fight, your marketing needs to answer 3 questions in one glance. What are you selling? How's it going to make my life better? And what do I do to buy? People don't buy the best products, they don't. They buy the products that they can understand the fastest. That's why you need a brand script to help you create a compelling narrative and invite your customers into a story. Tool number 3, come up with an irresistible offer. After you've clarified your product and your brand message, you need to come up with an offer, and it's gotta be compelling. Almost too good to be true. Forget about those calls to actions. Let's get in touch, contact us, or even booking a call. That's just not compelling enough for me to click that button and engage with you. Sacrifice some products, time, or even profit margins for the sake of buying customers. And if you're like, I don't want to give away products, the discounts are too steep, you're going to spend money on marketing anyway. You'll find yourself spending way less ad dollars on customer acquisition when the offer is good enough. The name of the game is to get their foot in the door. That's why the customer value journey going back is so important. Because when you get it right, you're going to upsell them to either a high-ticket item or for them to become a lifetime customer. Get their foot in the door.